This video is mainly created to learn how to schedule meetings in Microsoft Teams in Android phones. Okay, so in order to schedule meetings in Teams, the first thing what you have to do is you have to download this app and then log in using your user ID and password. Okay, so already I have installed this app and I have logged in using my user ID and password. I am just clicking on to the Microsoft team. In the Microsoft team, you can see a panel down where you have different buttons over here. Okay, like activity, chat, teams, assignment, and calendar. Okay, click on the calendar. In the calendar at the bottom, you can see a calendar icon over here. Click on the calendar icon, and here it gives a page which gives the details about the meeting. Okay, so you can click on the title, okay, and type the title. I am typing it as computer science, okay, and I am giving the name of this section. Second com C, and then in case the next option is add participants. In case you are inviting people to attend the meeting, that is a single participant or a group of participants, you can select the participant's name individually. Okay, suppose you are selecting the entire class, in that case there is no need to add participants. You have to go to share to a channel. In this you have different classes displayed over here. Select the class and general. Okay, so you can see the class name and it's been displayed, and the next option is all day. Here it is disabled. Okay, all day means the entire day. If you are taking the class, you can enable this option. In case if you are not taking, in that case let it be disabled. Then you have the option that is date. You can change the date over here and then click OK. And here you have start time and the end time. The start time I will mention it as 9. Okay, and here two options are there, AM and PM. So if you are taking classes in the morning, then you make it as AM and click OK. And the end time, okay, so 9 and 9:30, you can change the timings. Okay, AM and click OK. Okay, now your timings are set. Now you can go to location. Location is also optional. There is no need to mention the location. If it is needed, it should be mentioned, otherwise there is no need to mention. Okay, then you have repeat option. There have never, every day, every weekday, every week, every month, every year. So every week the same timings you are following, you can go and click on every week. Okay, so if you are setting this meeting only for once and you are not going to continue this meeting anymore, then you can press never. And then you have option show as. Here also you have different options. You can select any of these options. And then you have description. Description will give the details about the meeting. So in case there is nothing to type, then you can leave it blank. It is optional, or you can give the details about the meeting. Okay, you can type, and once you have done with all these details, you check your timings and the date and the class name. Okay, once you are clear with the details, then you can go and click the tick mark over here. At the right corner you can see a tick mark, and at the left corner you can see a cross mark. If you don't want to schedule this meeting, then you can go to cross mark and you can discard the meeting. If you want to schedule the meeting, then in that case you have to go to tick mark and click on the tick mark. Since I have already scheduled the meeting, so I am going to cross mark and I am discarding this meeting. Okay, so here already I have done this. I have already scheduled this meeting. So if I go to 30th, here I can see computers class second com C 9 AM to 9:30, and the details about the meetings are shown here, reflected here. Okay, so you click on that meeting, then you get a page over here. In this page, okay, you have the option meeting options. Click on the meeting options. In the meeting options, there are different options over here. Okay, so who can present the meeting. Okay, it can be presented by everyone or people in my organization or specific people or only me. So you click on only me. Since you are the organizer of the meeting, the control, entire control should be within you. So you have to change it to only me. Okay, so certain options will be disabled for the students if you change this option to only me. Okay, then you have one more option, allow attendees to unmute. So the attendees will be allowed to unmute or mute. Otherwise, okay, the students can mute or unmute. The students can be allowed, okay, to mute and unmute. In case you don't want the students to mute and mute, you can disable this option. Okay, if it is enabled, you are allowing them. If you are disabled, you are not allowing them. Okay, so then once you are enabled and disabled with these options, you can save that option. It will get saved. Okay, then you can go back to your calendar. Okay, you can go back to your calendar, and here you have a join button over here. Click on the join. You can join the meeting by pressing join now. You will be able to join the meeting, and the students also can join the meeting. Okay, you can see the timings and you can join the meeting and take classes. Okay, thank you for watching this video.